How to customize your feed in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now I'm in my home page. Here on the bottom, you can see this discover button. Simply tap on it. So basically this is the place where you can discover and add different things. Here on the right top, simply tap on this heart-like icon. So this is the place where you can completely personalize your feed. Here you can select the one that you want to add into, and here on the bottom simply tap on save. So it will take some time, and as you can see the feed is completely changed. So if you refresh it, you'll be getting all the news and different articles related to what you just selected. So it's all done. Now you can enjoy your feed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.